Is safety important to you? It is one of our number one priorities here at Service First Restoration. It's such a priority to us that we make sure we background every single employee when they're hired. And we actually rerun their background check on their anniversary date. Now, we don't just run a background check. They actually get one of these cool badges. And as a resident, when we show up to your property, you can actually ask our technician to scan. See the QR code up there? You can actually take your smartphone out right now and you can actually scan that QR code and you could verify the employee actually works for Service First Restoration and that they've got a clean background check. So how well do you know your contractor? Well, when you trust Service First to perform your water, mold, or fire emergency needs, you know that you've got a contractor that's stepping into your property that you can trust. So give us a call, send us your next job. We would love to help you out, and safety is our number one priority. We want to be your restoration hero. Thank you.